हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ राधा और मेरे चैनल का नाम है फ्लाइंग डीवा। गाइस, आई होप यू ऑल आर सेफ एंड साउंड। गाइस, without wasting any time, I'll just start with the video, and this video is all about my new purchase which I got from Croma, and I'm very excited about this video. So guys, ये जो video है ये है मेरे iPhone 12 mini के बारे में, जो कि मैंने अभी परसों ही खरीदा है, and I'm very happy with that. So guys, this video is all about that. You can see the box also. This is very small and very cute phone. So I'll just start with the video. This video is all about that phone which I got. So guys, इससे पहले मेरे पास iPhone X था, एंड इसमें जो चेंजेस है पहले मैं वो आपको बताना चाहूँगी. सो बेसिकली गाइज, दिस कम्स विद लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ बॉक्स, एंड इसमें ये एक फ़ोन है और कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ डेटा केबल के अलावा. डेटा केबल है, वो भी फास्ट चार्जिंग वाली है. इसमें ना अडेप्टर है, ना हैंड्स फ्री है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है. सो आई गॉट वेरी शॉक्ड बिकॉज मैंने इससे पहले इसका अनबॉक्सिंग कोई वीडियो नहीं देखा था, तो आई वॉज वेरी शॉक्ड व्हेन आई वेंट टू द शॉप. आई नो, सो डम ऑफ मी, बट इट्स ओके. सो हाउ डज इट मैटर. सो मैं गई और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये फ़ोन. सो एक्चुअली आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम क्रोमा, and which is in Select City Mall, and Croma में I was getting further discount for 3,000 rupees, which Apple Store was not giving. So obviously it was a better deal from Croma, so I got it from there. And this phone original cost was 73,900 rupees, and which is, this phone is for 128 GB. 128 GB में है, and this has 5 color options available: white, black, red, light green and blue. So I really like this green color, which is not exactly green, but yeah, very light green. I know you must be finding it white, kind of white, but it is not white, it's green. I hope you can see the color now because there's a lot of lighting, that's why it seems to be like white, but it is not white. So guys, I hope you are liking the video, and this video is all about this 12 mini phone, which I am finding it really handy, because मैं iPhone X तो अपने वीडियो बना रही हूँ, अदरवाइज़ मैं आपको दोनों हाथ में ये फ़ोन लगा के दिखाती कि थोड़ा सा ही डिफरेंस है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. I think उसकी screen size is 5.8 and this screen size is 5.4 inches, and otherwise almost everything is same, just that हम लोग को ज़्यादा तो फ़ोटोज़ ही खींचनी होती है, वो भी सेल्फी से. तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड न्यूज़ फॉर यू गाइज जो सेल्फी ज़्यादा लेते हैं और फ्रंट कैमरा से वीडियो ज़्यादा बनाते हैं. तो आई वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी विद दिट बिकॉज 12 मेगापिक्सल इसमें फ्रंट कैमरा भी है और 12 मेगापिक्सल इसमें बैक कैमरा भी है, which we use a lot, the front camera. So I really liked it. That is the plus point for this phone. But the negative thing which I don't like, in the box you're not getting the charger, okay, and you are not getting the hands free, but the cable which you are getting, that is fast charging cable जो Apple की आती है. ठीक है. तो उसका पोर्ट भी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ किस टाइप का है. सो बेसिकली ये इस टाइप का, आई थिंक दिस कॉल टाइप सी का ये इसका कनेक्टर है, और यहाँ से इसकी चार्जिंग केबल है. दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग विच आई गॉट इन द बॉक्स. अदरवाइज बॉक्स इज एम्प्टी, ओनली द फोन एंड द वायर, दैट इज़ इट. एंड अगर आपको एक्स्ट्रा चार्जर खरीदना है फास्ट चार्जिंग वाला, विच वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल विद द क्रोमा पीपल, सो I have to buy it, so that will cost around 1,700 rupees, so you can buy that. Otherwise you can charge it from your old charger also, but that is a fast charging cable, so that will be always a better idea to buy that and charge from that. So guys, thank you so much. Almost ये video complete ही हो गया है. So this video is all about that my new purchase. So it's been only 2 days that I've been using it. I don't have any such problem with this, but I'm very happy with the size first of all, second of all the color, and the camera quality is super nice, and the sound quality is also very nice. If you'll play the music just like that without connecting with any speaker or something, then also the sound quality is very nice, and the picture quality is also very nice. And when you see when you watch the videos also in this, that is also the colors, the vibrant they are so vibrant that you can make the difference when you are watching the videos in some other phone and when you're watching it, because my earlier phone was X and this one is 12 mini, so the video quality is also very nice. They have a lot of colors, vibrant colors. You can make the difference, so that is very nice. So I really liked it. And the only problem, the only disadvantage which I got in this, that is the battery life is very bad. एक दिन भी exactly नहीं चलता है, ठीक है? So that is like if you're paying that much, so and the battery is not that, so it's not that bad, I would say. It 24 hours चल जाता है, but बहुत रो के चलता है, ठीक है? बट एक्स में ऐसा नहीं था, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली द साइज इज स्मॉल, सो उसकी बैटरी भी छोटी है थोड़ी सी, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज see the difference between your earlier phone and this phone. So it has a lot of difference, but theek hai, it's fine. But I am happy with the purchase because it's 128 GB and I got a very nice deal from Croma. So the original price was 73,900 rupees minus 3,000 rupees the Croma discount, which I got 71,900, and further 6,000 discount from HDFC credit card, which was a no cost EMI for 6 months. That was a plus point. So I really liked the deal, so I bought it and I'm very happy with the purchase. Just that you have to deal with the battery backup. I have the charger, so that is also very nice. I'll make separate video about that. That is charger which doesn't require the cable. That is a wireless charger. I got this also from Croma, so that is a very nice charger. I think it's been more than 1 year I have bought it. It was for 3,500 something kuch. This was the charger and this is the wireless charger. I'll just show you how does it work. You have to just switch it on from here and just put this phone and it's started getting charged. It is charging. Can you see that? I don't know. I'll show you, wait. So it's getting charged, guys. Over here, I know it's too much of light, you can't see that, but still it's getting charged. Okay, so okay, I'll make a separate video about that. If you want, please let me know in the comment section. That is 8,000 mAh. So this I think twice, हाँ 2 बार तो आप कर ही सकते हैं चार्ज से. Very nice deal if you want to go for this. So you can have that, just that the battery problem is there, otherwise the phone is very nice. So thank you so much, guys. Maybe I'll make another video about the review because it's been only 2 days that I've been using it. Otherwise the phone is very nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please like the video, share the video, and let me know if you have any comments, and anything you want to ask, you can ask in the comment section. Keep sharing and liking my video. Thank you so much. Bye.